Namaskaram everyone. Here I am in the premises of Bhimnath Mahadev Mandir at Lajai village near Morbi district, and this Shivalinga inside, the Prana Pratishtha, is done by Bhima of the Panchapandavas. And here I want to continue exploring the 6th of the 18 most important shlokas of Bhagavad Gita, and today's shloka is the 25th from the 6th adhyaya. As usual, let me first chant this shloka written in Gujarati script. Then we will explore the meanings in English and then practice reading and writing its meaning in the Gujarati script as well. The chant of the shloka goes like this. Shanai Shanai Ruparamed Buddhya Dhriti Grihitaya Atma Samstham Manah Kritva Na Kinchidapi Chintayet. Before going to the meanings, let me now practice writing this shloka in the Gujarati script. Shanai Shanai Rupa Ramed Buddhya Dhriti Grihitaya Atma Samstham Manah Kritva Na Kinchid. The cha, we need to be mindful while writing cha and not mix it up with ya. It is kin chi the pi chin ta yet. So you see the ya is distinctly different from cha. The ya is like this. Yet. I hope how we write this shloka in Gujarati alphabet is clear. Coming to the meaning of this shloka in English, after Arjuna had his questions and after Krishna explained to him about the nature of the self and the qualities of somebody who has this realization of what the true nature of the self is, which we had seen in the previous shlokas until the 5th shloka, in the 6th adhyaya, Krishna comes directly to the process of yoga itself. He explains how pranayama must be done, how one's posture must be, what is the practice of yama, niyama, asana, etc. All of it not very technically but in a very poetic way. And this is one of such shlokas where he is explaining the process of yoga. And he says, Shanaihi. Shanaihi is slowly. Shanaihi Shanaihi Uparamed Buddhya Dhriti Grihitaya Atma Samstham Manah Kritva Na Kinchidapi Chintayet. So one shall progress on this path slowly and steadily. How? Shanaihi Shanaihi Uparamed. Uparamed can be understood as Rama dhatu. It comes from the same dhatu which gives Rama, which means the one who causes pleasantness. Ramed. One must be, one must rejoice, one must be blissful slowly, very slowly, and one should use one's buddhi. Buddhi is the intellect. Buddhya dhriti grihitaya, which is grihita, which is held. So you know this word grahana or grahaka, which means to grab. Even the English word grab has the same sounds. Grahana, grihitaya. So this buddhi has been held, or it is in hold of dhriti. Dhriti is one's steadfastness. Dhriti is one's resolve. So with the help of one's intellect, which is not wandering all over the place, but which is steady and which is now held in the grip of that resolution, strong resolve that I must now make progress towards this path of realization with that kind of intellect, one should atma samstham manah kritva. Now that buddhi, the intellect, is in the grip of one's resolve, and one's mind, manah, is immersed in the self, within oneself. Atma samstham, it is situated, samstham, within the self. Kritva, by doing that, na kinchidapi chintayet. One must not think of anything else. One's minds and one's thoughts must not wander on anything else. Kinchid api is whatever else one should not think of. Chintayet. So one more time, let me chant this shloka out aloud. Shanaihi shanaihi uparamed buddhya dhriti grihitaya atma samstham manah kritva na kinchidapi chintayet. The Gujarati translation of it is read like this. धीरज युक्त बुद्धि थी धीमे धीमे ऊर्ध्व गति ने प्राप्त करवूं अने मन ने आत्मा में स्थिर करी बीजू कोई चिंतन न करवूं. Now let me practice writing this in the Gujarati script. धीरज युक्त बुद्धि थी धीमे धीमे. This धीमे धीमे is shanai shanaihi in Sanskrit. ऊर्ध्व गति ने प्राप्त करवूं अने मन ने आत्मा में स्थिर करी बीजू कोई चिंतन न करवूं. So I hope the meaning of this shloka is now clear. In the next video, we'll progress to the 7th of the 18 most important shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. Until then, I hope you enjoyed learning this shloka and making some more progress with Gujarati script and language. See you in the next video. Namaskaram.